afternoon, everybody. I don't know what we're doing today, but we're doing something and you guys are coming along with. Right now we're going to visit a friend and we're going to do something after. I don't know, maybe swimming or something again. But let's go.
Can we keep each other company? Oh, well, maybe we can be each other's company. Oh, company. Let's set each other's lonely nights, be each other's paradise. Need a picture for my frame, someone to share my brain. Tell me what you wanna drink, I'll tell you what I got in mind. Oh, I don't know your name, but I feel like that's gonna change. You ain't gotta be my lover for you to call me baby. Never been around no pressure, ain't that serious. Can we keep each other company? Oh, maybe we can be each other's company.
Oh, yeah. Good team. Oh. Oh.
About the complications, I'm all about the elevation. We can keep it going up, or don't miss out on us. Just wanna have a conversation, forget about the obligations. Maybe we can stay in touch. Oh, that ain't doing too much. You ain't gotta be my lover for me to call you baby. Never been around no pressure, ain't that serious, no.
Nighttime walks with my mom and grandma. I can barely even see you guys.
Bike Sarah, black bag.
Look at the moon. I can barely even see anything. There's the school. Anyways, just went to the pastor's house. Now we're gonna go back. Ooh, we can have the nachos tonight.
Did you pick some up?
Let's go have some. Let's go. Let's go.
Remember I said the community?